What's up guys, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Puma Clyde Court in the Peace on Earth colorway. These dropped on December 20th for $120 US or $160 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is simply Vaporous Gray. So as the nickname of the shoe suggests, this shoe is promoting peace around the world. In fact, for every single pair of these sold, Puma is donating $5 to the Trayvon Martin Foundation. So with that said, throughout this review, you'll notice references to peace and doves, which are commonly associated with peace. Before we jump into the shoe, I just want to give a quick shout out to Puma Canada for sending me over this pair. So if you guys are located in Canada, these are available at select Foot Locker and Champ stores, along with boutiques such as Exclusivity. So taking a closer look at this shoe, so the upper of this shoe is constructed using this intricate knit that's inspired by feathers from a dove. So you see there's this feather inspired weave throughout the upper, and this is constructed in a combination of white and silver knit. On the midfoot of the shoe on the lateral side only, we have this Puma stripe, and this is constructed out of this translucent plastic. Running up the center of the shoe, we have these tan or cream colored eyelets, and then the top eyelet is done in red, giving it this simple pop. The laces in this case is an oval shaped lace done in that same tan or cream color, and the lace tips on these is done in green, which together with that top red eyelet gives it a bit of a Christmas feel. Running up the center of the tongue, we have this tan colored nylon strap, and at the very top we have Puma branding on the right foot and Peace branding on the left foot. So the tongue, along with the rest of this ankle collar area, is constructed in a much more stretchy knit. This allows your foot to go into the shoe with much more ease. Wrapping around the back of the shoe, we have this gray colored TPU heel cup that features this Puma logo right in the center. Above this, we have another strip of nylon, and this acts as a heel pull tab. So the interior of the shoe, especially around this back Achilles area, this is very well padded, ensuring that your foot's going to be very well locked in. As I pull out the insole, so this insole is done in a combination of cream and blue. So the blue is supposed to be a nod to the sky, and the print on the insole itself once again is inspired by the wings or feathers of a dove. So the upper of these Puma Clyde courts sit atop this midsole that's constructed out of a combination of Puma Ignite and Energy foam. The midsole is encased in this rubber carrier, which is this off-white sort of color that you see. And then taking a look at the bottom, it has a bit of this milky finish with this triangular traction pattern found throughout, and it's finished off with this Puma logo found right in the center. In terms of sizing, so these do run a little bit more on the bigger side. So my feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and Puma Canada sent me these in a size 10. While I personally probably wouldn't go down a half size, going true to size meant there was a little bit of extra room around the toe, but it's nothing that thicker socks won't fix. Comfort wise, so I wore these strictly as a casual shoe. I haven't actually tested these on the court, but from just casual wear, they feel quite nice on feet. The foam underneath, while firm, is quite supportive, and you can feel a bit of that bounce back underneath your foot. Combining this with the flexible and breathable knit upper, this sort of feels like a sock on your foot. So with all that out of the way, let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. Of all the Puma Clyde courts that I've released so far, this one is near the top of my list along with the Ocean Drive colorway. I love the simplicity of this shoe, how they opted for tones of white, gray, and cream, and because of that, this makes this shoe very wearable with pretty much anything. It doesn't hurt that this shoe exudes a very positive message as well, and it's great to know that every shoe of these that's sold is going to a very good cause. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Puma Clyde courts in the Peace on Earth colorway. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. Before we end this video, a thank you goes out to Puma Canada once again for sending me over this pair, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video.